Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an invoice on Shopify. First, let's understand why professional invoices are so important for your business. They build trust with customers and streamline your accounting. Shopify offers robust built-in tools to help you generate these documents efficiently. We'll start by navigating to your store's settings to ensure everything is configured correctly for your invoicing needs. This initial setup is key to a smooth process. Now, let's dive into generating your first invoice. You can easily create an invoice directly from any order within your Shopify admin panel. Once generated, the real fun begins with customization. Shopify allows you to tailor your invoice templates, ensuring they reflect your brand's unique style. Don't forget to include crucial details such as your company logo, contact information, and clear payment terms to maintain professionalism. After customizing your invoice, it's time to send it to your customers. Shopify provides options to email invoices directly or download them as a PDF for manual distribution. Keeping track of your invoices is simple, allowing you to monitor their status, whether they're pending or paid. For businesses needing more advanced functionalities, exploring the Shopify App Store for third-party invoicing applications can offer powerful additional features and automation. To wrap things up, always maintain clear and organized records of all your invoices. This practice is vital for accurate accounting and simplifies tax season significantly. Regularly reviewing and updating your invoicing process ensures efficiency and compliance as your business grows. And hey, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.